replaced with songs, no medals pinned upon their chest, just dust and hunger, grief, unrest. The men were gone, the flags were torn, the women worked from dusk to dawn. Unsung and unbroken, they lifted the land with calloused resolve and dirt on their hands. No spotlight, no statue, no headline to claim, but they built the future from rubble and flame. The Trümmerfrauen swept the stone with babies crying all alone. Each wall they raised, each meal they found was history rebuilt from ground. Their stories lost in silence deep, but echoes wake what time can't keep. No glory sung in victory's tune, but they were sunrise after ruin. Unsung and unbroken, they lifted the land with callous resolve and dirt on their hands. No spotlight, no statue, no headline to claim, but they built the future from rubble and flame. No one cheered, but they endured, and through their hands the world was cured. No spotlight, no statue, no headline to claim, but they built the future from rubble and flame. No one cheered, but they endured, and through their hands the world was cured.